So we bought our first home in 2020. Couldn't have been at a more perfect time. It was when the prices dropped and the interest rates dropped. Jackie was great, walked us through the process. She really coached us as to what to look for. And at that time, we told her we were interested in getting more investment properties once we finished the process of that. A couple years go by, and we looked up and realized that we had some sizable equity in our home. And Jackie was very instrumental in telling us how to use it and how to leverage it to go ahead and get our first investment property.
And she actually reached out to us first as far as what was probable, likely for us as far as equity.
Yes. Okay. And here we are. So, first investment property.
We're grateful. Couldn't have done it without her.
Yeah. All right. So, how has been the process of getting this investment property?
It was very eye-opening, but it was a learning experience. When you're buying your first home, you're doing a lot about feeling and you're imagining yourself in it. And then when you're buying an investment property, you're imagining the investment. And that was the first thing we had to learn. And the good thing is Jackie was very good with helping us identify which properties would look better, and especially teaching us the difference between a beach property and a residential, and the difference between buying homes in North Carolina and Virginia. So that was the biggest learning curve, just learning the differences. But overall, I mean, I feel like it was a seamless process, but we've learned a lot. We will definitely recommend Jackie to anyone we know looking for a property. We've already have in many occasions already.